Hello friends, welcome to Fams Tech. This is Moto G5s Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Moto G5s Plus smartphone. In case you forget your pattern, you cannot do hard reset or factory data reset because for hard reset, pattern is a must. So it will not work. See here, I have entered wrong pattern. So it asked for waiting time 30 seconds. So I have waited for 30 seconds, then only I can power off my phone. So try hard reset or factory data reset only if you know your pattern. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. For initiating hard reset, just press power button and volume up button together. Press them together for few seconds and wait. And now you go to select on recovery mode. For that, use volume down button and keep on recovery mode and press power button for confirming. Wait for few seconds. Now if you see no command option, again press power button and volume up button together. Yes, menu has come. Now you go to select wipe data option. That is fifth option. And press power button, select yes, and here select third option. Now wait for few seconds. Hard reset is in progress. Yes, data wipe complete. Now you have to select reboot system now option. That is first option. Keep on first option and press power button. Now you got to wait for few seconds to few minutes. Now click on start button. You go to set everything from scratch. Click on skip. Click next. You can set a name. Click skip. Click not now. You can set them later. Click I agree. Yes, hard reset is done successfully. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.